What's up, YouTube? Today I'm embarking on a journey by myself. This is something that I'm sharing with you guys. It's a secret because I'm hiding it from Aiko. The big secret is that I'm planning on proposing, so I'm in the process of doing all this planning and trying to do the right proposal, if it's even gonna work. The main thing right now that I'm trying to do is you can't propose if you don't have a ring, right? So I'm on the web looking at different jewelers. So right now I'm on, my homie sent me this place called Rare Carat, but we're gonna see how this whole thing works. So it seems like they give you like, there's local jewelers, the shape, the carat, but I want to see if it comes with the band and everything. So let me look into this and I'll update you guys a bit. Okay, so yeah, by just going around this website, it's only the diamond they're selling. You would still have to figure out how to get it placed on a band and everything. So that's too much of a headache for me, so I'm kind of good. So this one's funny because Aiko actually told me about this site, so I'm not gonna design my own. And we're doing engagement rings. Hello. Yes, babes.
What?
What's up, guys? Fast forward maybe like 2 weeks. I've been looking at a bunch of diamonds. I need to go to a jeweler. But the big thing is I need to figure out how to do the whole proposal. So the proposal that I want to do is I want to put the ring in a notebook. But to be able to cut into a notebook that precisely, it's going to take some time. Let me show you what we started with. So, pardon the mess, but originally I bought this grinder to grind down this pipe to an edge so I could cut into a notebook. It didn't come out so good. We have this multifunction cutter, and maybe that's gonna do the trick. Do the reveal. But that's pretty good to me. Alright, so what's up, guys? It's probably been like 2 weeks since I updated you guys. Last time was I was trying to make the hole in the notebook, which was a complete fail. So while trying to do that, the last 2 weeks I was still on the hunt for the ring. I got so many different advice from a lot of people, looked at a lot of people's rings just to get sizes. But last time I left you guys, I was looking at different online brokers that sold single diamonds, or you bought the diamond, you added to a set. There was a lot of good ones, like Brilliant Earth. I got a recommendation for that. I looked at that, they had great selection, great price. I looked at James Allen, that was actually something that Aiko had recommended. But after doing all that research, and I was nearly about to buy a ring online, I was like, you know what, I need to look into the actual jewelers and see what they offer. So I went and did that. The first thing I wanted to know was who pretty much had the best insurance policy, who had the best insurance, return, upgrades. Everyone has pretty much is identical, but the best one that everyone told me about was Robbins Brothers. I actually got recommendations from them, like at least 4 or 5 people. I thought I was only going to be there for 30 minutes. I talked to the guy for like 2 hours. He was pretty much teaching me on the fly. Like a lot of things I knew was like the 4 C's, but then there was also like fire, brilliance, and sparkle or something like that. There's 3 other things. I really got the gist of the actual diamond by him giving me like different samples. And what he did was he kind of just tested me. So he was showing me like a nearly flawless diamond versus like a BVS. And I was really trying to figure it out. I literally was there for 5 minutes. I was like, I think it's this. It was like a test, really. And you know, we went through several different variations of things that I liked. And he pointed out what was the difference, and then I made my own conclusion of what I liked. But the thing that set them apart and why I just said screw it, let's say everywhere else is 100% loss. If you lose your diamond, they'll replace it 100%. At Robbins Brothers, it's 110%. I didn't see that anywhere else, and so I ended up getting one. I've heard so many reviews, so many good things about these guys, so I just went with them. Let me show you guys. So here it is, guys. Damn, it even comes with its own light, right? Come on now. But look, you can't really see it. Cause it just kind of just shines. Let me see if it can focus. Alright guys, I gotta put this away. What's up everyone? It's been a while since I updated you. It's been probably like a whole month. I've been pretty busy just doing family things and things around the house. I've been trying to prep out the house for the party that we're going to be having, for hopefully the post-engagement party. It's going to be held here. As you can see, you probably hopefully seen from our other videos of our 12 days. We put up all the decorations. But yeah, besides that, and doing like, because I have to keep up normal life and still do all this stuff on the side. Little by little, so that she has no idea of what's going on. Besides the house, well, besides inside the house, the big thing, which I can show you right now, and this one is the outside, but I'm taking a break of the outside because it's been raining for like the past couple weeks off and on, and it's messing me up because here, I'll show you why. So as you can see behind me, I've been trying to level out the dirt so I can put grass, artificial grass. That's been a big thing. I've been trying to level it. First I scraped out all the dirt, try to make it level as I can, then ended up putting dirt in so I could make it slope away. So this has been an ongoing process, weekend after weekdays, but it's coming. What else have I been working out? I've been trying to finalize, or not finalize, just kind of figuring out the whole process of the actual proposal. Her family and my family, they're going to be hosting their family Christmas event, and we're going to be doing a white elephant, and the ring is going to be in one of the white elephants. So I've been trying to figure out how to get that to actually work. As you've seen in a before video, we tried making the cutouts. Because everything that's going on, I don't think I have time to do that. So my plan B was a lockbox. So this is a book safe. Inside, I haven't shown you guys this. Looks like a box. Opens up, it's a safe. One side, I've already cut out foam pieces. I need to glue them, and it houses the ring box. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I think I'm done. Check it out. Boom. Opens. This opens. And then I velcroed the actual locks to the bottom so that I can flip it open. But how do you guys like it? I don't know. I like it. It's cool. It's like a little bouquet of flowers, I guess. But let's see if she likes it.
Okay, Alan's gonna steal.
Everything's nice though. I want to be cutthroat. Steal.
That's it, steal. Alright. Steal or open, bro.
Don't steal.
Wait, what did you want me to say?
Wait, since it's the last present, you gotta be the center of attention over it.
What?
Let me see. No, just open it. Just open it.
Just open it, right?
Anywhere. I'm videotaping your shining head.
Oh, I'm the one.
Hey.
I think it's batteries. the best
And a $50 Best Buy.
What is this?
It's a book.
He's good.
Oh, you like books?
No, but it's a book safe,
Oh.
right? Oh, what?
What is that?
Best Buy gift card.
Yeah.
I think I'm off the still.
What's that?
Still your heart.
Oh.
Will you marry me? So that she wants a Best Buy gift card.
Are you thinking about it?
Oh, she's thinking about it. That means yes. Yeah? Yes?
Wait, did you ask my parents?
Yes. That's why they're waiting.
That was the ring. Yes. Okay.
Okay, show.
Can I?
I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream.